Hey guys, yeah, the season has come back around. Cabin closure time, so we're going to start with the back glass. And you guys know I modified mine so I can keep the snorkel kit in there. So we'll install that and show you the easy way of installing it. And it's all in one piece. You grab it, you slide it from one side. This is going to be the longest video I've ever made. And then you just slide it, and then you wedge it, and keep sliding it, and then you go to the other side. Lift it up a little bit. What's it hooking on? It's obviously hooking on something. Oh, what could it be? And that's that. That's basically all it is. And then you got straps. And the straps, you basically, they're Velcro straps. So, oops. Should have took the straps off, but anyways. So basically what you do is you bring in the strap. Into the hole. I don't know if you want to come on this side. Better view. So you pass it through the first hole, go through the second hole. All right. Come around the bar in the back here, and you just tighten and Velcro down. And you do that to all of them. And that's how the solid back glass is. Simple as that. It's going right through here. Just push on the roof a little bit. Don't even need to take it off. And you see what, even with a sound bar in the back, you can squeeze it through there. And then just when it's firm, make sure your Velcro strap is flat. And I'll be missing two straps. I don't know where they went. They're on the side here. Babe, you have any clue where my strap to grab my bars are? Because without you, I'm lost in life. So there's three on top. Two, well, I got one left in the bottom, but normally there's two, but I cut out, so I only got the one left in the bottom. It's pretty straightforward. There we go. So now all we need to do is the middle one. So for me climbing, it's jumping on the tire. Oh, put it in park if you're gonna do that, because you might end up flat on your face. And I still might end up flat on my face. So, like I said, pass it through. Slide it through the roof, lift up the roof a little bit, get it through there. Jump off your tire before you break your face. And I guess that one, my arms aren't long enough, so sit in there, tie it down. And yeah, make sure you put the Velcro on the proper side. Velcro has to be facing outwards, and I don't know why all these were facing inwards, because I didn't take them off at the end of the year. So like I said, put in part and start over again. So make sure the Velcro is facing outwards and tuck it in there. We're getting ready for winter riding because there's already snow outside and it's cold and the tracks are coming on soon, so it's not fun with the breeze. So These cabin closures are super nice. So I just gotta get the other two straps and find them so I can hook them in the corners right here. All right, guys. So that's it. So very complicated, very long, but you can do it. I know you can. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, see you later. Bye-bye for now.